The Lenovo M3 Pro drone is a feature-packed aerial photography aircraft designed to cater to enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of its standout features is the optical flow positioning system, which ensures stability and precision during flight, even in indoor environments where GPS signals may be limited. This feature allows for smoother and more controlled flights, making it ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage. Equipped with 3 cameras, including an 8K camera, this drone offers unparalleled image and video quality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or intricate details from above, the Lenovo M3 Pro delivers sharp, high-resolution imagery that rivals professional-grade equipment. The ability to shoot in 8K resolution ensures that every detail is captured with clarity and precision, allowing for stunningly immersive aerial photography experiences. The 4-way design of the Lenovo M3 Pro further enhances its stability and maneuverability in the air. With 4 propellers arranged in a cross formation, this drone can navigate through tight spaces and handle various flight conditions with ease. Whether you're performing intricate aerial maneuvers or simply hovering in place to capture the perfect shot, the Lenovo M3 Pro offers exceptional control and responsiveness. In terms of usability, the Lenovo M3 Pro is designed with convenience in mind. It features intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both novice and experienced drone pilots. Additionally, advanced features such as intelligent flight modes and automated functions allow for effortless flying and creative experimentation. While the Lenovo M3 Pro drone boasts impressive features and capabilities, it's essential to consider some potential drawbacks. As with any drone, flight time and range may be limited, requiring careful planning and consideration when capturing footage over larger areas. Additionally, the overall performance of the drone may vary depending on factors such as weather conditions and environmental obstacles. In conclusion, the Lenovo M3 Pro drone is a versatile and capable aerial photography aircraft that offers exceptional image quality, stability, and control. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to elevate your work or an enthusiast seeking thrilling aerial adventures, this drone delivers an immersive and rewarding flying experience.